Okay, here we are, same piece about 2 hours later, and as you can see, he got most of the big rough patches off.
That piece didn't make it.
Oh, sorry. I guess that piece didn't make it.
Yeah.
Sorry. Let's see where that piece went.
So many cracks.
Oh, that was the big piece that he was turning.
It went bye-bye.
Oh, that went bye-bye. Okay, he's on to another one now. Okay. Got some nice little grooves and stuff on this. It looks quite attractive.
Oh, well, thank you.
Yeah. Is this going to be a bowl?
That's my plan.
Wow, nice.
Thank you.
You know what kind of wood that is?
No, raffle wood.
Oh, raffle wood. That means he won it when he went to his wood turners East Bay wood turners meeting.
Yeah.
They give away wood there.
Well, we
in a raffle.
In a raffle off. Yeah.
They raffle it off, and he's looking for something here.
I'm looking for a tool. I thought I had it, but
okay, got the tool.
Okay, this is it.
Yeah, big chisels, checking the sharpness. Not quite sharp enough. These chisels, I gather, they dull up really quick.
With the wet wood.
Wet wood.
Dry wood, no, okay. Well.
Yeah, as you can see, this makes a lot of chips.